Welcome to Bosnia and Herzegovina, the country famed for its cultural and landscape diversity. Also known as the heart of the region, not only because of its geographical shape. Its proximity to Western European markets and the European highway system make BiH a strategic location for the European, Middle Eastern, and Asian markets. The country has a well-developed road and railway network, 4 international airports, 2 river ports, and 2 international ports. The financial sector can be characterized as stable, with the official currency pegged to the euro. In addition, BiH has a very liberal foreign trade regime with a large number of countries. Investing in Bosnia and Herzegovina means that you enjoy several benefits, such as a favorable legal environment with courteous treatment of foreign investors, as well as a favorable tax system. However, the most important part of any successful business story are the people. Bosnia and Herzegovina prides itself with highly talented, creative, and skilled people, with a can-do attitude that reduce investment risks and create a collaborative and innovative environment. With an abundance of natural resources and a long tradition in industrial manufacturing, Bosnia and Herzegovina has much to offer, including many attractive projects and available investment locations. Welcome to the Bosnia and Herzegovina Investment Outlook session. Invest in BiH. Invest in profitable projects.